Start the PCC software, and OK the warning pop-up, to acknowledge you are aware of the risks of working on a fire alarm system. Open your site project and expand the panel tree and select areas. Areas are used in conjunction with the zone configuration. Where a zone has been set up to use a zone confirmation type that requires devices within an area for the confirmation of the fire event. To configure an area, double-click the area or press the Config button. Select the zones you require in the area, and drag and drop or arrow them across from the left side to the right. Each area allows the option for a description to be set up. The area will now be used alongside the corresponding zone configuration that has been set up.